24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That and those. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Motivate the students to think and recall their previous knowledge. Learning objectives. Students should be able to use that and those correctly in a sentence. Point to specific things using that or those. Understand the usage of these words in daily conversation. Recall. Ask the students what is near to them and what is far. Help them to differentiate between near and far. Say these sentences. Look at that tree outside the window. Those trees are tall. Those birds are flying. That is a small insect. Introduction. Use of that and those. Tell the students that we use that for one object and those for more than one object, and to talk about something far from us. That is a pencil. Those are pencils. That is my brother. Those are your brothers. Read. Explain with the help of flashcards that if we can touch an object, it means it is near to us. And if we cannot touch, then it's far from us. Write sentences in front of pictures. For example, that is a mango. Those are mangoes. Read the sentences at least 3 times. Move your finger word to word. After this, repeat with the students 2 times. Recognition. Write some sentences on the board and ask the students to use that or those correctly. For example, blank is a spoon, blank are spoons. Blank is a girl, blank are girls. Review. Make a worksheet and draw on the board. Ask the students to match each picture with correct sentence. Help them to read the sentences. That is a box. Those are ducks. Those are cats. Those are boxes. That is a cat. That is a duck. Writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.